Beautiful, healthy, and shining hair needs moisture and nourishment. Discover Sutra's Hydroline Hair Mask. Start with shampooed wet hair. Make sure to squeeze out excess water and towel dry so the mask can really penetrate your hair. Take a palmful of Sutra Beauty Hydroline Hair Mask. You can use a little more if your hair is long or thick. Now rub it between your hands and then apply it to a section of hair. Apply the product to hair lengths and ends using your fingers to work it through. Work your way up the hair and stop a little bit before the roots. Make sure you coat and saturate your hair well, especially the ends, since that's where our hair is the driest. Using your fingers, twist and wrap the sections of hair so the product really penetrates each strand. It feels so luxurious. Now just leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse and style as usual. It's best to use the mask once a week to maintain shiny, hydrated, and nourished hair. Sutra Beauty Hydroline Hair Mask. It's that easy and so worth it.